Last year, one travel money setup flew me across the world in a lie-flat business class seat for less than the price of an economy ticket. 0 foreign fees, 2 free airport lounges on the way, and over $2,000 saved on that single trip. By the end of this video, you'll have all 7 moves that make that possible, in the exact order to use them, starting on your very next trip. And move 7 is the one almost everyone overpays on, so stick around, because that's where the biggest savings are hiding. Quick note, some links below are affiliate links at no extra cost to you. I only ever point to cards I actually use. No finance degree needed, just 7 habits, starting the moment you land. Move 1. Never, ever change your money at an airport currency kiosk. Those booths hide an 8 to 12% markup inside an already bad exchange rate. On $1,000 of spending, that's up to $120 gone before you buy a single coffee. Instead, pull local cash from a normal bank ATM at your destination. Or better, just tap a no-fee card and skip cash almost entirely. That one habit alone can save you more than a nice dinner out every single trip, which leads straight into move 2. Move 2. Stop paying foreign transaction fees on everything you buy overseas. Most everyday cards quietly add about 3% to every purchase made outside your home country. Spend $3,000 across a 2-week trip, and that's another $90 gone silently for absolutely nothing. The fix is one filter. Only travel with a card that charges 0 foreign transaction fees and use it for everything abroad. Your debit card is usually the worst offender here, so check it before you fly, not when the statement lands. Now that every dollar you spend is fee-free, let's turn that same spending into free flights. Move 3. Move 3. Understand points, because they're how you earn your first free flight, often within a few months of hitting your bonus. The whole idea is simple. The right travel card earns points on money you're already spending. Groceries, gas, your phone bill, insurance, everyday shopping, money you'd spend anyway, and now every dollar becomes a point, sometimes 2 or 3. On top of that, most travel cards hand you a big one-time sign-up bonus once you hit a spending target in the first few months. That single bonus is often enough for a free round-trip flight before you've earned a point the slow way. The one rule: never buy things you don't need just to chase a bonus. Only route the spending you already have through the card. So which card should that actually be in 2026? That's move 4, and it's the one everything else is built on. Move 4. Stop hunting for one perfect card and build a small stack where each card has a job. There's no single best card, only the best card for how you actually travel. Card 1 is your everyday earner. Strong points on dining and travel, and 0 foreign fees. Card 2 is optional. A premium card you open mainly for its big welcome bonus and lounge access. To judge any card, ignore the logo and look at just 3 numbers: the annual fee, the sign-up bonus, and how much each point is worth. The everyday card I actually started with is linked down in the description. It earns transferable points, charges no foreign fees, and its sign-up bonus is the fastest points you'll ever earn. Get that one card working, and every remaining move stacks right on top of it, starting with walking into airport lounges for free. Move 5. Use your card to walk into airport lounges for free instead of paying at the gate. Lounges aren't just for the wealthy, plenty of travel cards include access at no extra cost. That's free food, free drinks, fast Wi-Fi, a quiet seat, and sometimes a shower, often worth $50 or more per visit. Premium cards bundle a membership to a lounge network with hundreds of locations worldwide. 2 lounge visits on one trip, and a $95 annual fee has already paid for itself. Now here's the question that decides everything. Should you even spend your points or just pay cash? That's move 6. Move 6. Learn the one rule that tells you exactly when to spend points and when to keep them. Every point has a cash value, and the whole game is knowing the moment to use it. I call it the 2-cent rule. Take the cash price of the flight and divide it by the number of points it would cost you. If you're getting 2 cents or more of value per point, book it with points. A $1,200 flight for 30,000 points is 4 cents a point, fantastic value. Book it. An $80 flight for 10,000 points is under a cent. Pay the cash and save your points for a flight where they're worth far more. Screenshot that rule right now. It's the entire difference between wasting your points and stretching them for years. And the place where points are worth the absolute most is exactly where we're headed. Move 7. Move 7. Book business class for a fraction of the cash price. The $6,000 seat you pay for mostly in points, plus a few hundred in taxes. This is the move most guides get wrong. They tell you to book business class directly, on the same airline with a mountain of points. The real leverage is transferring your flexible points to an airline's partner program and booking the award seat through them instead. On the right partner programs, a seat selling for $6,000 in cash can go for a fraction of that in points, plus a few hundred in taxes and fees. That right there is the $2,000 plus flight from the start of this video. A lie-flat seat you paid for mostly in points. One critical step. Always find and confirm the award seat first, and only then transfer your points. Never transfer them blind, because transfers can't be reversed. Award seats are limited, so stay flexible on your dates and book the moment space opens up. Pull this off just once, and every other move you learn today pays for itself many times over. So there's your full 7-move stack. Skip the kiosk, kill foreign fees, earn points, build your card stack, get into lounges for free, use the 2-cent rule, and fly up front for a fraction of the cash price. Your exact numbers depend on how much you travel and spend. But even the everyday moves add up fast, trip after trip. If you only do one thing today, start with move 4, the card, because every other move is built on top of it, and the exact one I use is linked in the description. And if you want the full step-by-step of me actually finding and booking that business class seat with points, screen by screen, that's the next video right here. I'll see you there.